40 private acres, with end-of-road seclusion. Main home was built in 1956 with 1,144 square feet. But there was a fire in the kitchen, so part of the shop loft area was converted to a 2-bedroom/2-bath apartment. Shop/garage was built in 2001 with approximately 1,232 square feet, large workshop area with cement floor. 5-bay equipment barn above the home. Mostly wooded hillside with Royan Creek running through it, but there is some pasture. Greenhouse, raised garden beds, and a garden area. Cash offers only.